I'm Pete Bales and own Bales Ranch. We started the ranch in Florida for many years, and we moved, when I retired from my job, I moved a herd up here, and this is where we intend to stay. The reason I'm trying to make this, of course, my son, he got cattle in Florida, and a friend of his got cattle in Florida. And his friend wanting to buy a, Mr. Mooney is his name, he's wanting to buy some working facilities, and we wanted him to see this before we went out shopping too much. Now, my son has helped work cattle through it many times, so he knows, but we'll send a copy of it to him too. So hopefully Mr. Mooney or anybody else they want to show to, maybe they can learn something from it. I hope so. Okay, once one of these heifers start in, or a cow, whatever you're working, starts down this aisle, they will all follow right along behind. This alley here is about 28 inches wide. It can be built out of anything that you got on wood, whatever. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be really strong. This tub and this system I built about 26 or 27 years ago, and I've been using it ever since, and I have yet to have anything broken or bent. Just stand still over there. Come on. Come on, girls. The way this is built, once you come in this tub, you never have to get in the pen with the cattle. And they can't knock the gate back and hit you, so I built it to be safe, and fortunately we haven't had any accidents yet. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. These cattle have been through here so many times. They're real gentle. They're not even scared enough to move the way you want them to. So. Maybe you can see this heifer weighs 1,240 pounds, and won't be 2 years old until next month, and she should have her baby before then. And as you can see, she caught herself. The single file lane going into the tub, that can be built out of wood or whatever you have there to do it with. This one happens to be lightweight panels. As long as you support them every 8 foot or 6 feet, you'll be okay. There's not a lot of stress on that, because once they start through, they'll walk right on into the tub. The tub and the lane coming to the squeeze chute is all made out of Schedule 40 1.25" galvanized pipe. I built it about 26 years ago in Florida. Built it to be pinned together so it could come apart, because I knew I was going to be moving someday. We've had it here in this location about 19 years. We haven't had any rust on it at all. We have never had anything broken on it. The only thing that we've had any problem with at all is the springs that on our backstops. They will occasionally break, as springs do. And we're working cows, and if one of them breaks, we shut down the whole operation until it's corrected. We will not run a cow through there without the backstops all working correctly. Because when none of those big cows hit that gate and there's nothing to stop it, if it hits you, you're in trouble. So we built it. I built the thing originally for safety, and short of a skin fangle or something like that, we never had an accident in this system. I tell people, if you have an accident in here, it's because you did something stupid. You do what you're supposed to, you're not going to get hurt. So, but you never have to get in. Once the cows start down single file, you don't have to get in where the cows are. I really prefer the single file approach, because once any kind of cow you're getting in, once you get one to go, they all go, and you're not having to run back over top of you all the time, and you can follow them right into the tub and swing the gate, and you've got them. So that's one of the main things I like about it, because once you swing that first gate in that tub, they're not going anywhere except where they supposed to go. They're certainly not going to hurt you. So the squeeze chute, which is a Powder River, I've had the same length of time. I bought it when I built the tub. It's been painted once and new floor put in it once, and it's the same age as the tub, which is about 26, 27 years. It really, two people can work it fine, especially with my kind of cattle. I think with any kind. Once you get them in that tub, it doesn't matter for crazy Brahmas or whatever they are, they're not going to hurt you. So I don't know much else to say, except the reason I built this thing originally, I looked at many, many factory-made tubs, and I couldn't find one I liked, because I wanted one that both gates swung around and around and around. Nothing like that existed. As far as I know today, there still isn't. Like I say, we've used it for about 26, 27 years, and just trouble-free.